Hi Cyber students, this is a quick update for HES100. You are currently working on the nutrition chapter and you are learning how to evaluate a food label and will be looking at what a healthy food plan looks like for you in terms of using food groups. And that's a really important assignment in terms of overall health and well-being because it gives you the basic foundation of healthy eating using food groups. And you could use this in the next module when we learn to write a SMART goal, and in the module following that when we do a healthful practices post and we try out a new health behavior change and see how it goes. I think the nutrition chapter is a little overwhelming because there's so much information, but it is certainly vital and a very important part of your overall health and well-being. Last week you evaluated a blog using the carbs criteria, which is a way to see if what you're reading on the internet is accurate and reliable. And this article actually passed most of the carbs criteria, except that the last S, supported by evidence-based science, wasn't the best option. And the reason for that is because this author chose to reference an article from a newspaper instead of referencing the actual CDC study on too much, too little sleep. And when you click on the link, it wasn't even a viable link. So it was a great article, but technically it didn't pass the carbs criteria because the key criterion of evidence-based science wasn't really there. You'll get a chance to use this carbs criteria several times during this class, and it really is important because this is our health that we're talking about, and when you look up information on the internet, you want what you're reading to be solid. So you have a chance in the nutrition article to evaluate a nutrition blog post or article using carbs, and then in the weight management module you'll also be evaluating a weight loss advertisement, looking at a website and the content. And again, you'll apply what you learned in the readings as well as the carbs criteria. So I hope that you're doing okay. If you have some questions, please email me. I'll also be available in virtual office hours tonight from 9 to 10. See you in cyberspace.